Good morning, bro. Good morning, bro. 500 Leetcode contest, bro. That's crazy. Good morning. And I'm kind of late. It's about to start. Yep. Starting in 55 seconds. I was waiting, bro. What's up, bro? What's up? We are here. Good morning, bro. Mini Thamiza. Mining Thamiza. Bro, say what's up, bro? Yo, dreams come true, bro. Bro, I'm not even awake and you're typing messages like those, bro. I'm gonna beat your ass. Yo, what's up, bro? Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, bro. 20 seconds. Good night. Oh my god, bro. Good night, bro. Good night. Uday, bro, what's up? Join. Load. Different parody. Two triple 1 0 0. Yeah, bro. Fair one. Next question. Given an integer and letter. My screen is blurred, right? Yeah. The integer form by reversing the digits of n. Return the sum of all prime numbers. Not Siva for Aristophanes, bro. I'll kill myself. Mm, 1, 31. That's the prime numbers. 10 and 17. 1 and 1. 9 and 9. Yeah, bro. It's prime. And I equals to to if x percentage I equals to 0. Okay, we gotta reverse that. Okay, string how to reverse a string? It's just reversed, right? Yeah, reverse string in CPP. It's just reverse, right? That reverse function. Yeah, equals to a reverse b dot begin comma b dot end. You reverse it. Now int r equals to string to integer b. Inclusive for int I equals to l, I less than equals to m, I plus plus if is prime, I plus equals to I return 132. How the fuck am I getting 17? What in 10? Yeah, I is less than if x and false, return true. True for 1. Oh, okay. What? Bro, easy, bro, easy. Yeah, 132, 17, and 0. Yep, we like that. We like that. Fair, bro. This question was a joke. Let's speedrun this. We are speedrunning this. You're given an integer array nums, where nums is strictly increasing. For each index x, let closest x be the adjacent index, such that absolute of nums x minus nums y is minimized. If both adjacent indices exist, and give the same difference, choose a smaller index. Okay, for any index x, you can move in two ways to any index I with cost absolute to closest. एक इंडेक्स से you can move in two ways. दूसरे इंडेक्स पे जहाँ पे आपको उन दोनों का difference with cost. You're also given two where queries. Bro, chat, are we cooked? Are we fucking cooked, bro? Is that it? Queries question as a third question. Queries question as a third question. You're also given a 2D integer array queries where for each query calculate the minimum total cost to move from index li to ri index, return an integer answer. For each index I, let closest x be the adjacent index. The fuck is adjacent index? Adjacent index means plus or minus, such that absolute nums x minus nums y is minimized if both adjacent indices exist and give the same difference. Choose a smaller index. Okay, for any index x, you can move in two ways. To any index y, with cost or to close it. Bro, it's range queries, bro. Are we cooked, bro? Are we cooked, bro? Yo, are we cooked already? Are we cooked? So, calculate the minimum total cost to move from index li to ri. To move from 0 to 2, the closest indices are इसके लिए 1 है. अब -2 5 -2 -5, there's 3. Choose one as a smaller index. Okay. इसके लिए 1 है obviously. For 0, 2, the path user closest move from. Bro, why the hell they have asked this as a range query question? For 0, 2, the path 0, 1, 2 uses a closest move from index 0 to 1 with the cost 1. From any index, you can jump to any other index with that cost, with the difference of their cost, or to closest with 1. Ooh. You definitely don't want to jump if the closest is on the left side. You definitely don't want to jump to the closest if the closest is on left side. What are they doing here? 1, right? For 0 से 2 पे जाना है, 1 से 2 पे जाना है अगर आपको. Yeah. Bro, range queries. How the hell are we solving this with the range queries question, bro? Why is this a range query, bro? Are we cooked, bro? Nums I is 10 raised to 9. No, okay, 10 raised to 5. Queries is 10 raised to 5. Queries is 10. I've never solved questions like these, bro. I've never solved questions like these. What's my bro yapping on mute? Yo, 9 AM games, bro. What's up, bro? What's up? For each query, calculate the minimum. 0239. 0239. Ooh, wait. This is strictly increasing. Yeah, okay. So the logic is this is strictly increasing. We would never want to go left in any case whatsoever. We would never, there's no case that we would want to go left. We always want to go right. If the closest is on right, just always move right. Now, the point is, okay, so basically always move right until the closest is on left. When the closest is on left, just jump to the last element, I guess. I guess that is the logic. Like if I don't know, bro. I don't know. Here, let's see if I closest of x, it's 1 for 2, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3. Yep, the absolute number x minus nums y. X. Yeah, so it's 0 for 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 9 is minus. So we're gonna go with 1. Here, of course, it's 2. So now if the range query says you wanna go from 3 to 0, bro, 3 to 0, we're also going backwards. Oh my god, bro. 3 to 0. Okay, that's the same thing, honestly. Nothing too different. You'd always want to go, if the closest points towards right, always go there. So from 3 to 0, yeah, it's just move closest, move to closest. It's 2 1, it's 2 1 0. Yeah, yep. Yep. The point is, how do I solve this in a range sum query? Okay, the logic to find the optimal cost is pretty clear. How do I, let's say if you want to go from 1 to 2, 0, yeah, from 1 to 2, the cost is 3 minus 2 1. From 2 to 0, from 2 to 0, it's 2. Mm-mm. The closest indices are 1 2 1 2. Oh, stupid. Yeah, okay. Now how do we calculate it for range sum? I think we only need to know. Yeah. Okay, I think I have some logic in my mind here, bro. For every number we have to, okay. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Hold on. I think, yeah, bro. Hold on. No, bro. Chill. I'm not cooking. From this point, to go on right. Hold on. This is 0 1 2 3. Okay. Now from 3, if we want to go on, oh, from 3 we can go to 2 only. L is 1 and R is 0. Of course. Of course. Of course. Okay. 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 I don't know, bro. I think so. I have something in my mind. How many positions or right by just jumping to closest. So first of all, calculate closest. Okay. First of all, we do that. Yep. Closest for first of all, rename this as ARR bro. For int I equals to 0, I less than ARR size. If I equals to error dot size -1, then you closest dot pushback closest dot pushback error dot size -2. Yeah, the last one will always go to second last. Where L equals to absolute of error I minus error I minus 1, that is smaller than hold on bro, hold on. Absolute of I minus error plus 1, if that is this is smaller than, or if it is equals to error closest dot push back I minus 1, else closest dot push dot push back I plus 1. Okay, we do that. Okay, fair bro, fair. Okay, we are calculating closest correctly, looks like. Yeah, yep. Okay, that helps us calculate closest. Alright, now we need to see wait bro, vector of pair of, honestly, yup, yup. We don't even need a pair of intent bro, we don't even need a pair of intent. Yeah, actually vector int of moves, this stores that from the current index how many places can you move either left or right by simply, yo, where is my cursor bro, by simply uh, using the closest. Okay, for int I equals to 0, I less than error dot size I plus plus. Okay, now the moves is she got me something like, hey yo, Aisha Shah, what's good bro, good morning, good morning. Yep, now we just have to moves dot push back Okay, okay, hold on, bro. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think, bro. I think I'm in the correct direction though. I think I'm in the correct direction though. Okay, okay. Let's actually divide it into left and right. Or in fact, yeah. Hmm. First, calculate how many indexes right can you go from any index. Print moves int n. Okay, vector int moves of size n initially all 0 for int I equals to n minus 1 I plus plus I. In fact, yeah, you can't go right from the last element, right? I not I is greater than equals to 0. I minus minus. If if closest of I is greater than I, then we can say moves of I equals to 1 plus moves of closest of I is greater than कि इसका इंडेक्स क्लोजेस्ट इंडेक्स है तो moves of I is 1 plus एक तो ये जा ही सकता है, अगला वाला इंडेक्स और जा सकता है, हमें वो देखना है बस. int total right equals to 1 if moves of I plus 1 if moves of I plus 1 is greater than 0, if means its right can also go right, then we can say total right plus equals to moves of I plus 1, and then just you say moves of current I, your index, right, that is it. Now we have to see how many left. For int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Yep. Now we have to see if closest of I is actually less than I, then you can say int total left equals to 1. If moves of I minus 1, if that is less than 0, then we can say total left plus equals to minus 1 star moves of I minus 1. Okay, moves of I minus 1. Bro, I'm overcomplicating it. I think so. Moves of I minus 1, and then you just say moves of I equals to -1 star total left. Okay, we have our moves array. We have our moves array. Yo, bro, am I cooking or am I cooked? Third one is greedy plus prefix. Well, I'm doing it using some different greedy. I think yeah, I'm following this approach is considered as greedy or something. Mm. Yeah, I'm kind of. I think yeah. Mm, mm, Now you just have to see the range queries for auto p of your, let's say, queries int l equals to p. Is it a pair or if you want to go from 0 to if we want to go right, can L and R be equal? Yes, they can. If L equals to R, then you can say answer dot push back 0. Okay. Now the next part is, bro, I need some space to write. Am I overcomplicating it? Like I always do. If L is less than R, see how many right can you possibly go from L. And right equal to moves I. No, first just see if from L you can go right. If moves of L, if that is actually less than 0, then we just simply take the difference of their, yeah, absolute x minus y to any index. Yeah, then we can just answer dot push back absolute value of uh, ARR L minus ARR R. That's it. Yep. Now now else L support going right. Now int max right equals to L plus moves of L. If max right is greater than equals to R, then answer we use closest to reach till R. Then answer dot push back from, let's say, if you're going from 0 to 1, the answer would be 1. 0 to 2 is 1, 1, yeah. So it's basically, yeah, R minus L, difference of indices, right? We can partially use closest, then jump using operation 2. Now here, bro, I'm writing trash code, bro, I know. Yo, this is stupid. This is stupid. Okay. Uh, so Hmm. Partially use closest, and I'm using 2. Int closest sum would be equals to moves of I would be L plus moves of L, right? L plus moves of L, int sum equals to moves of L, yeah, int sum equals to moves of L. That just tells you how many it can go, right? Okay, now you just have to say sum plus equals to uh sum plus equals to absolute value of your error right max minus error r, right? Then answer dot push back your sum. Okay, I think this covers all the cases. Else we want to go left. Okay, we want to go left. First we see if from L you can go right. You can't go left. Now in here it would be same. If I copy the code here, first we see if from can't go right. First we see you can't go left अगर इसकी moves greater than 0 है. Moves of 0 is 1. Moves of n minus 1 equals to minus 1. Now okay, अब आपने देखा you can't go left. Okay, now else support going right. Yep. Okay, greater than r, and you want to move like right. Now if you can, else means, bro, I'm overcomplicating this, but the logic is, it means you can go left from from L. Okay, now the first thing we'd see, yep, cover all using closests. And max left would be equal to L plus moves of I. That's it. L plus moves of L. Yeah, kind of, exactly. She got me something like Okay, we do that. Now, if max left that is less than or equals to r, then we can say answer dot push back the difference of their, yeah, push back L minus R. Okay, else use max, partially use closest, partially use closest, and then jump direction 2. Okay, the code is going good right now. 20 indexes cost y. Max left is fair. Right here now, the thing is, yeah, sum is basically how much are you going left. Moves L star minus 1. Okay, because it's in left. Right. Moves will always be left. Now, we have max left. Max right and they are the same thing, but okay. We have max left. Sum plus equals to absolute value of max left minus max ARR, max left minus ARR R. x से y पे जाना है, ठीक है, आप max left जा सकते हो, ठीक है. Answer dot push back sum, push answer dot push back sum. Right, we do that. In the end, just return the answer, bro. Return answer. Let's see, bro, if this works. This is surely not gonna work. You're getting 0, 6 to 5. Okay. At least two of them are 4, 1, 3. Yo, this first one is partially incorrect. The rest all are working correct. Why is this? Let's just first calculate the closest and then we'll calculate the moves. I less than n, I plus plus, C out, I, C out, del, or int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, C out, closest of I. Okay, now C out and del. Now for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, C out, moves of I, C out and del. Okay, now we have index, closest, and moves. The closest 101, yep, right, 101. So from this point, from 0 you can go to 1, that means it's 1. From 1 you can go to 0, that means it's minus 1. Yep, from 2 you can go to 1, and from 1 you can go to 0. Okay, the moves is also correct. Why is my output 0 then? Why is my output 0? The first query is 0 comma 2. That means it's gonna go in L is smaller than R. L is smaller than R. Bro, chat. Yo, Yo. We did first one like under 9 minutes. Now just clueless with rest too. Pudish B cook something hard, bro. Honestly, I think I have the correct logic, bro. I have the correct logic in my mind. Third is too easy path, Gandhi. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. Shut up. Shut up, bro. You're my brother, but please shut up. It's not easy. It's not easy. But I think I have very one last. Why is this? Now, first just see if from L you can't go right. Moves of L. So the query is 0. No, we can. From 0 to, we want to go from 0 to 2. That is where my answer is coming out as wrong. It should be 6, it's coming out 0. Okay. Okay. This fails. L support going right. Now max right from L would be L plus moves of L, that is index 1. No, this would fail. L's sum equals to moves of L. एक index चला, right max equals to L plus moves of L. We have that max right. Max right. Max right. Okay, we have this. What? Where is my logic failing? This is impossible. Sum equals to moves of L, then sum plus equals to absolute of ARR max right minus ARR R. Answer dot pushback sum. Bro, how is this possible? I guess we have to debug using typing a lot of shit. See out L. Bro, debugging, typing out couts is so ass. Cout L supports going right. Going right. Okay, L supports going right till max right. RIGHT till max right. Okay, now if max right is greater than R, answer dot pushback R minus L. Yeah, I think this should help me debug. What? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Well, good question, bro. I love Leetcode for putting this question in. L supports going right till 1. Right. It does. So we are going till here. Where the fuck is it? In the case of 0, 2. Now if max right is greater than equals to R, cout partial plus jump लगेगी. Partial plus jump. Is it reaching here? पार्शियल प्लस जंप लगेगी. बिल्कुल सही लॉजिक चल रहा है. तो फिर मेरा 0 कैसे आ रहा है, ब्रो? हाउ इज माय आउटपुट फकिंग 0? Answer dot pushback sum. Sum plus equals to absolute of max right minus ARR R. What? How is this possible? Bro, ये है मेरा moves. ठीक है? Max right is basically L supports going right till 1. Fair enough. Max right फिर 1 minus 2, that's minus 1. इसमें एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू नहीं आ रही क्या इसकी? ओ ब्रो, आई थिंक ये एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू नहीं ले रहा उसकी. क्यों नहीं ले रहा? ये यहाँ पे इसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू नहीं ले रहा. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली या she got me something like. अबे बेवकूफों की तरह ब्रो चाड़ा. ओके ब्रो, it was an index error that caused me this bullshit bro. It was an index error bro. तो sum plus equals to क्या प्लस करना है? एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू प्लस करनी है ऑफ किसकी? एरर मैक्स राइट माइनस एरर आर की. बस ये करना है भाई. नो वायबल ओवरलोडेड. अबे बेवकूफ. ये लो भाई, ये लो. int to add equals to this sum plus equals to add. ठीक है ब्रो? अच्छा ओके ओके ओके. sum plus equals to. ठीक है, this should work now. Holy. int to add equals to absolute of this. Now sum plus equals to add. What expected for the function? अबे अच्छा, hold on. Now we're getting 6 to 5 and we're getting 413. नीचे मैंने सही लिखा है कि नहीं? नीचे मैंने सही ही लिखा है मोस्ट. यहाँ पे भी ऐसे ले लो. int to add. भाई कभी कुछ. यो ब्रो, it's 10 raised to 9 ब्रो. What? पूरा LL में करना पड़ेगा भाई, पूरा LL में करना पड़ेगा. Holy shit. int to add equals to absolute of error max left minus error of r. Now just do sum plus equals to add. Sum plus equals to add. यो पूरा LL में करना पड़ेगा भाई. That is crazy. Chat, I have written the logic. I'll submit it after converting it to long. Bro, this question is stupid, bro. Stupid, bro. Third one is annoying. Yeah, bro, exactly. Exactly, bro. Where can I get code? Yo, MSM Gaming Zone 7833. Shut up, bro. We don't share codes here. So, vector सारे int को LL बना दो भाई. सारे int को LL बना दो. int total, right? Okay, ये भी LL. Okay, LL. LL. Okay. और कहाँ है भाई? int कहाँ आ रहे हैं? LL. और int कहाँ पे आ रहे हैं? LL. और कहीं कोई आ रहे तो बताओ भाई, हिम्मत है तो. 413. अच्छा, सेकंड वाले में 413. फर्स्ट में 625. Although I still think I'll get wrong answers somewhere, bro. But I think I need to submit. मैं edge case खुद नहीं ढूंढ पाऊंगा भाई. I need to submit anyhow. I cannot find those edge cases myself. Getting 625 413. It's asking us to return a vector of int. I know, but chill. We passed 133. How is there? Yo, wait. How is there an extra zero in here? What? How is there an extra zero in here? How many? This is an answer, right? What the hell, bro? How answer dot if L is less than R? अबे यार L सिर्फ लिखना था. What am I doing? But no, bro. It what? Okay, it's correct now. It's correct now. 6254130. Okay, bro. How many? 198. One. Chill, bro. We can debug this. We can debug this. I need to uncomment my debug statements. Uncomment my debug statements. Output is 29 and 22 from 2 to 0. Uncomment my debug statements. So moves. Okay. Moves is ठीक है आप 1 जा सकते हो यहाँ से -1 जा सकते हो. अबे यूज तो करो इस टेस्ट केस को. 1 1 2 से 3 3 से 2. ठीक है 2 से 3 3 से 2 1 0 से 1 1 से 0. ठीक है 1 -1 1 -1. ठीक है अब आपको 2 से 0 जाना है. वो गलत आ रहा है. 2 से 0 जाना गलत आ रहा है. 2 से यू कैन गो राइट. तो आपको सीधा ये करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है 2 से अब क्या आएगा? L is greater than R. If L equals to R, else if L is less than R, L is greater than R. If moves of L is greater than 0, answer dot pushback. Q answer dot pushback. You can move to any index y with cost absolute nums x minus nums y. ओ जहां नहीं हाँ सही तो है. x y l r. x से आपको y में जाना है. So 17 minus minus 12 is 29. How is it 20? Bro, 24 01 22 17 से आप 17 से आप 24 जा सकते हो. Yo, don't tell me. Is it kind of like 2 से आप 3 पे गए? 24 minus. How is it 22, bro? 22. Yo, what is the logic here, bro? Oh, that fire is too loud. My father slapped me. Chill out, bro. But change that far sound. What should I do then? Brute force? People are doing n square वाला होगा तुम्हारा फिर. Bro, TLE, bro. People are TLing, bro. Chill. How does this make sense? Hold on. So from 17, the closest पता चल गए. अब moves आएंगी. ठीक है अब आपको 2 से 0 पे जाना है. 0 1 2. So you're telling me go to 24 और 24 minus 24 plus 12 है 36. वो तो सेंस नहीं बनता. 17 plus 12 29 आ रहा है. बिल्कुल. Chat, can somebody I can't understand the test case. According to me it should be 29. Why is it 22? If you want to go from 0 1 2 17 से आपको 12 पे जाना है तो या तो you can go to the closest of 17 which is basically this. ठीक है हाँ which is basically this. Bro, what? How is. Bro, where am I going wrong, bro? 210? 210? Why? We can't go 17 to minus 4. Hold on. So you're telling me rather than jumping directly, you're adding those segments. 17 minus 4 is 21. Yo, this is insane, bro. This. Okay. What? How will we do this then? That's fucking insane. No way, bro. No way. Okay. You. This question has another thing that I didn't even consider. I just thought pick the start element, either jump to the closest if they are valid, or directly jump. But in here, yo. You know what? This is going to make my code absolutely worse, but this is the only way I can solve this now. I'm duplicating my entire code. L equals to P1, P0. Answer 2. Answer 2. Answer 2. Answer 2. Answer 2. Bro, this is going to yo. I don't think so this would work now. Or else I can't solve this question, bro. At least not in the time limit. Not in the time limit, bro. Answer. Answer or pushback. Answer. ठीक है, answer 2. यहाँ, यहाँ, यहाँ. Okay, fair, bro. Now, answer dot size I plus plus f answer dot push back minimum between answer of I comma answer 2 of I. This is an absolute shameless way. Unknown network error. 2221412 2222. At least this is working, bro. How does that fucking make sense, bro? Yo, I'm cooked, bro. Bro, I'm cooked. Bro, I'm cooked. Yeah, if you don't get closest, then jump to it with the absolute value. Exactly, bro. Oh, jayega, bro. 30 minutes left. How much sleep? 3.5 hours. You should always go by one index. No, the logic here is this. This test kit is stupid. From 17, so from 17, if we choose closest, we can go right. So the thing is, we can just jump to minus 12. That is what my logic does. But this question is saying from 17, jump to minus 4. Then check again from minus 4. If not, okay, so I think rather than jumping directly, yeah, that's fucking it. The point is, I'll have to rewrite my whole approach as a function, then I feel like. I'll have to rewrite my whole approach as a function. How much time do we have? 26 minutes. Yo, I think we can solve this, bro. We can solve this. Yo, this is stupid. No way. Bro, I can't write such big code again. I can't write such big code again. So what am I doing is 17 से मैं सीधा -12 पे jump लगा रहा हूँ क्योंकि उसका closest right में है. This question says even if the closest is right, move towards left. Then just do we keep moving on towards left? After moving on towards left, we realized, damn, bro, what? This question is crazy. Fourth seems very doable, bro. I'll beat your ass, bro. Question for statement, question for logic, bro. It's cooked. Am I? Bro, I feel like I am. I am very close to the logic though, bro. Fuck it, we're not gonna even read the fourth question. It's yo. So it's oh my god, bro. Just do we just jump? Dun, dun, dun. 17 से अब -4 चले गए. Queries कितनी होगी भाई? We have goddamn 10 raised to 5 queries, bro. 10 raised to 5 queries. What if every query makes us go one left? That is not correct, right? That is not correct. One left करना brute force नहीं कर सकता कि मैं सिर्फ एक एक लेफ्ट करके देखूं. From 17 you can't go left. You can go -4. -4 can go to left. Yeah, this question is crazy, bro. 23 minutes. I need to think of a new approach, bro, before I run out of time. It's going to me in the ass, bro. So it's yo from oh my god, bro. From 17. Yeah, we can't be doing that. We can't be doing that, bro. 70. Do we fuck me, bro? Hmm. So my approach was just either use closest or directly jump. This is saying if you can't use closest, take one jump. But if we take one jump for every query, that is going to give us a TLE, bro, of course. If we take a single jump for every query wherein we can't use closest, that's gonna give us TLE in the worst case. Fuck, bro. What? What? What, bro? Yo, chat, am I cooked, bro? I'm not in a mood to solve it. Bro, what? Do pre-computation, bro? पूरी आवाज इतनी कम क्यों आ रही है तुम्हारी भाई? भाई आवाज कम है? Maybe because I'm speaking slow. Maybe because I'm speaking slow, bro. How? -12, -4. Hmm. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Bro, no way, I'm not cooking. Yo, chill, bro. I think, okay, hold on. V vector int ps. Okay, this stores the cost of going from going from index I to index 0. Okay, and we can just say ps is going to be of size n comma 0, right? We can just say int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Just write the logic here. If I don't think so we need the bullshit of moves here then. I don't think so we need bullshit of moves here then. If closest of I equals to cost till 0, closest of I equals to I minus 1, equals to I minus 1, ठीक है? Then you can say cost till 0 equals to एक left जाने की cost plus cost till 0 of I minus 1. Okay, correct. ठीक है, fair. अगर नहीं है else int cost would be absolute of arr of y जाना है ना, x minus y या y minus x is the same thing. arr of I minus arr of I minus 1. Then you can just say cost till 0 of your current index equals to cost plus cost till 0 of I minus 1. Fair enough. Fair enough. Now cost till n. Now same shit for cost till n, bro. Same shit for cost till n is equals to I plus 1. तो cost till n plus cost, आगे आगे से आप कितने कॉस्ट में जा सकते हो, सही बात. Greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. Okay, now cost equals to, अब आपको आगे जाना है, ठीक है. Cost till n of I equals to plus I plus 1. ठीक है, अब आपने निकाल दिया cost till n. Now the whole part is for auto p of query, for auto p of query, int l equals to p0, int r equals to p1, bro. Int r equals to p1. If l equals to p, answer dot push back. No. Okay, chill. Answer dot push back 0. Now if l is less than p, then that means you have to go till l r. If l is less than r, cost till n, l से cost, int a equals to cost till n of l, int p equals to cost till n of r. Answer dot push back, answer dot push back b minus a. I hope that is correct, or we might have to do, yeah, I think this should Yeah, else if लगेगा, else इस केस में आप जा रहे हो r l int a equals to cost till 0 equals of l int b equals to cost till 0 of r. Now b माइनस ए नहीं आएगा, सबसे पहले तो a माइनस b आएगा, a माइनस b आएगा, इसके केस में भी a माइनस b ही आएगा, a माइनस b. That's it, I guess. What if closest to phi equals to I minus 1? The fuck? What? Cos till 0. Okay, cos till 0 of I equals to 1. Cos till 0 of I. Yo, Chad, I think this is correct, bro. Queries Queries, bro. I can't spell. Yo, 14 minutes, don't act. Leetcode, I'm about to beat your ass, bro. If L equals to P, what? Okay, it's R. 6254130. Chill, bro. Yo. Wait, bro. I'm getting too excited right now. 6 to 2222 0 413 625 6. God is good. Damn it, bro. I got no water, bro. Yo. God is good. Chad, we did it, bro. We did it. We did it, bro. I I was writing such a bullshit code as compared to what the hell this question needed, bro. Code दिख रहा है तेरा side से leak हो रहा है. Bro, what? Okay, you're talking about this. Okay, bro. I wrote such bullshit code, bro. In the end, it was nothing, bro. In the end, it was nothing. I gave up on that. Yes, no, sir. Bro, yeah. Okay, I was doing way stupid shit, bro. Contracts, buddy, hard work payoff. Yeah, oh, sir. Thank you, bro. W, no panic. Exactly, bro. I didn't panic today, bro. I didn't panic today. Chad, that was a good thing, right? I didn't panic. Was that not a good thing, bro? Fourth one, bro, shut the hell up. Easy, bro. I don't think so. It was easy, but okay, bro. Kavish, he's a knight, so he thinks everything is easy. And position I is called fixed point. You're allowed to lead it. Bro, is this digit DP, bro? Is this digit DP? मेरा तो should गया. What do you mean by Zephy, bro? Why? Chad, I think after so many days, I'm gonna get a positive rating today, bro. Not DP. It's not digit DP, then we can't do it. We can't do it, bro. You're allowed to delete any number of elements from the array. After each deletion, the remaining elements shift left and indices are reassigned starting. Return an integer maximum number of fixed points that can be achieved. Holy. No. We're not even trying you. Bro. We are done for the day. भैया लीडकोड वालों को पीओटीडी में वैरायटी लानी चाहिए बस एलआईएस पैटर्न भूल ही चुका हूं मैं. Bro, who even does POTD, bro? Who even does POTD? My brother. Who even does POTD? Third नहीं हुआ, fourth में 3 wrong, सब हुए. Yo, bro, I'm happy. Yo, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy today. Bro, hats off to your dedication. Status, bro. Love you, brother. And for third one, prefix sum, suffix sum. That's it. Prefix sum, suffix sum. That's it. You're reading comments for the correct approach and celebrating. It's me, Rupali827. Honestly, did I take help of chat? Rupali, bro. Honestly, I think I did. I think I did. But the point, man, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. I don't even know, bro. But the third one with a little bit of hints. First time rank under 4K. First time rank under 4K. What is my rank? 5.8K, bro. 5.8. Bro, I'll lose rating today too, bro. I'll lose rating again. Your lead code is not made for me, bro. I'll lose rating again today. Yo, Ayush Ranjan. Bro, this is that guy on LinkedIn, right? Ayush Ranjan, bro. I think I know him. He's on my LinkedIn. Nah, 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 nah. He's some cheater, bro. Is that Ayush Ranjan? Yo, my project didn't get a slot. Yo, bad day, bad day. Never mind. Never mind. That doesn't come under help, brother. Honestly, I don't know, bro. मुझे लग रहा है फोर्थ का सॉल्यूशन कुछ इजी ही होगा. या ब्रो, क्वेश्चन इतना इजी है. रेटिंग पगलू भाई. इतना करने के बाद भी आई एम लूजिंग रेटिंग, ब्रो. आई वांट टू किल माई सेल्फ, ब्रो. आई वांट टू किल माई सेल्फ, ब्रो. Blood of Mayur, bro. The contest is not ended. The contest is not ended. We still have 9 minutes. We still have 9 minutes. We still have 9 minutes, bro. Got got two penalties. Same, bro. Well rating, but it's life, though. Practice more, bro. Do we check entrant hub? Do we check entrant hub? Bro, bro, even in today's contest, I'm losing rating. That's crazy, bro. Kavish, bro, how much are you gaining? Kavish is getting minus zero point 0.6, and his rank is 3000, and he's losing rating, bro. He's 1898. He has a higher rating than me, and he's bro. I'm getting minus 10 today. I'm getting minus 10 today, bro. Yo, minus 10. Fuck me, bro. Lead code is, bro. Not a good day, bro. Not a good day, bro. Your favorite company is JP Morgan Chase, right? Absolutely. I'll work there without even any pay, bro. I'll work there without even any pay. भाई पहली बारी तेरी तारीफ करूं. Hats off to your determination. Goku, my brother, finally. This asshole always makes fun of my hairline. This asshole always laughs at me, but today he is doing tarif. Thanks, brother. We like that. Remove blurry screen. Bro, after the contest ends, only then, bro. After the contest ends, only then. After the contest ends, bro. Caffeine score, thanks, stress. Minus 13. Minus 13. Yo, bro. Chat, this is 2 days old monster. Should I drink this? Should I drink this? Bro, monster is disgusting. I wasted my money. Stop caring about rating, bro. Let it just enjoy. Chat, should I stop caring about rating, bro? Should I become mature and stop caring about rating? Should I stop caring about rating, bro? Fuck no, bro. I care about rating. I want to reach Guardian on Leetcode. I want to reach 2000. I want to post on LinkedIn. I want to flex. But I think I can never, bro. With my stupid ass brain, I can never, bro. I can never. Every contest, I just get more frustrated despite solving questions. Fuck me, bro. Fuck me, bro. Bro, JP Morgan pay Indian brown boys are different. Chand Papia, bro. You seem to be like an employee of JP Morgan, bro. You seem to be like an employee of JP Morgan. मेरी रैंक 5K बन रहा है, बट आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज थर्ड देखकर समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि ये कैसे होगा, बट आई फिगर्ड इट आउट. टाइम लगा बट हो गया. यो, नाइस वर्क, ब्रो. GG's, नाइस वर्क, ब्रो. नाइस वर्क. Unless you reach Guardian. Unless you reach Guardian. Yeah, bro. The Norwood 4 ain't changing now. The Norwood 4. Yo, I need to change my bio, bro. Nah, bro, you can't. See, bro, it's gonna take me one more year, bro. And the point that with my job, I just can't do lead code. Chat, we are changing this today. I have a Norwood 4 receding hairline. What do we keep this? What do we keep this? Read me. What do we keep this? I have a Norwood 4 receding hairline. Let's let the contest be over. Then we'll change this depending on how much rating did I lose, bro. How much rating did I lose? How much rating did I lose? अनहाइड कर दे भाई अब तो ऑटो ब्लर हटा दे 7 मिनट चैट पर ही रहना oh okay fair bro we can do that we can do that let's just not go on code we can do that let me just close my solution 6k bro 6k yo 6 oh my god bro oh my bro how are people so good at DSA bro 6k bro, me bro so I technically solved the so I technically solved the 3 questions in 1 minute 26 6.1k oh my god bro chat let's stop caring third was simply prefix suffix bro I was doing an entirely different approach I was doing an entirely different approach which I realized after failing that test case 3 करने के बाद भी 5.8 के आ रहा है रैंक लेट उठने का नतीजा अमित कुमार stop flexing lil bro stop flexing so you're telling me you woke up late yet you got a better rank than me stop flexing bro stop flexing you give contests on other platforms no bro chill mine is 10k that makes me happy no I'm joking just good at cheating yeah bro I don't even know please refer me to JP Morgan put this okay there's nothing left named as rating after AI okay rank 1 is a cheater and works at Cape Gemini let's have a look bro Praveen my brother Cape Gemini software engineer he has 12 followers who the hell is following him bro Devanshi Agarwal bro Devanshi is a female and she's following a cheater bro Devanshi why do you do that why do you do that chat let's message him bro let's message him let's message him let's message him chat let's message him connect add a note good morning sir saw that you are all world rank 1 on Leetcode weekly contest 500 please make me your disciple I want to be better at DSA thanks chat do we send this chat do we send this bro please don't send any creepy messages yo when the hell do I send creepy messages Pradeep bro you're making me sound like a creep shut up bro shut up bro if you like watches and suggest me a good watch my father on his birthday yo good question bro do you want to see what watch did I buy bro what watch did chat chat morning spelling okay we'll change that chat but after my first salary I bought this watch for myself this is fossil bro and I think this is a very cool watch is this nice or bad bro chat is this good or bad be honest well, I think it looks cool bro I think it looks cool you got job at JP Morgan nah bro I want to work there I want to work there nice watch yes sir yes sir yes sir yes sir this looks really good and this is under 10k so you don't even have to spend 15k bro whosoever asked bro I'm sorry I forgot your name but this is under 10k bro I really like this watch bro I really like this watch good taste thanks brother only knight can wear this watch no I'm joking man it's loaded now bro I bought it using my first salary that's how I bought it 10k for that a bit less than that a bit less than that a bit less than that buy a silver one next now bro I'm never buying anything less than that more after this bro it is expensive as hell it is expensive as hell not watch fan though what do you mean Morning, sir. Saw that your all world rank on Leetcode. Please make me your disciple. I want to be better at DSA. Thanks. Do we send this? Rolex next after years. Yo, chill. Bro, in third, one test case hardcode can accept, but afraid it'll. Nah, bro, I hardcode all the time. Chill. I hardcode all the time. Chat, we are sending this. 3 personalized invitations remaining for this month. Bro, I'm wasting my personalized invitation. Send, bro, send. Send. Let's send this. Let's send this, bro. Let's send this. Don't rage bait him. Please don't. Bro, why not? I'm just asking for. I'm just asking for like help, bro. I'm just asking for help from my brother. Why not? I was thinking to give Casio fossil. Yeah, bro, Casio. Bro, Casio, it really depends, bro. I got my dad this Casio 169 AW WA. I got my father this one. I got my dad this watch. I think it looks cool, bro. But yeah, this is way less than your budget. You can buy more than that. That's 99.99% cheater, bro. We can still ask him. We can still ask him. If I watch you two around Saturday and two means 2.3% of my life is watching your stream. Bro, see how much we all love you. Caffeine's my brother. This guy just said he spent 2.3% of his life watching me. Yo, I didn't think so. Any girl would ever do that for me. Caffeine's bro, I love you, bro. उनकी लाइन ठेले पे मिलती है 50 रुपए में. सी भाई ये कहाँ ठेले लग रहे हैं भाई? कहाँ ठेले लग रहे हैं भाई? Bro, will you check out a project I'm working on? Yeah, bro, send it. Send it. Is the contest over? Send it. Bro, is the contest over? Bi-weekly. Yo, weekly is over. Weekly contest is over. Chat. Do we start by discussing the solutions? Do we start by discussing the solutions? Portuguese is a no buy. 2.3% of 50 people is one whole life. Buddhist. Bro, first of all, 2.3% is an over exaggeration. And to top it off, I'm not gonna stream for an entire lifetime, bro. मेरे check कर लाडले क्या आ रही है? Okay, bro. Let's just check entrant up there. Let's be a man, bro. I need to become a man, bro. I need to not be scared. Akjinit, bro. Akjinit, bro. Didn't he is sleeping? He gooned last night and slept, bro. Anybody who misses contest because he's sleeping is a goddamn tier 1 gooner. Let me be honest with you. CF digit DP question. Yo, Jason, we can do that. Chill, bro. Chill. Hey, bro. How are you? Do you remember me? Kirtan Ghuriwal 1111. Yes, brother, I do remember you. What's up? What's up? Start with the Connie profile. Bro, tell me your profile. Amit 6, Amit 9. 6, Amit 9. Bro's getting plus 10. Holy shit, I'm jealous, bro. I'm jealous. Yash, my brother, with the 100 rupees donation. Mera plus 31 was ki. Yo, my brother, Yash, bro. DM me on Insta and you'll get my private hairline pictures. Okay? Just because you sent a super chat, bro, DM me on Insta. I'll send you my private. Love you, brother. 22 में से 20 मुझे दे दे नाश्ता मिस हो गया आज के कॉन्टेस्ट के चक्कर में. Okay, you live in a mess or something. You live in a mess. Bro, third was hell so long implementation. Nah, bro, it was just prefix sum, suffix sum. Yeah, Zephy, bro, send me your project, bro. Yo, worth it? Yo, did Sarthak not attend to this contest or what? Yo, Sarthak did not even attend, bro. Sarthak is sleeping, bro. Also want hairline pics of you, but from bottom. Goku, brother, find God. At this point, just find God, bro. Just find God. Oh hell no, bro. If we don't send super chat, then it doesn't mean we don't love you. Even we reserve private hairline photos. Status. The point is, you guys will leak it. Bro. You guys will leak it. You guys will leak it. I know Yash bro will not leak it. Plus 31. Yo bro, what is your rank, bro? The link is not being sent, bro. Bro, probably send it in the Discord. Send it in the Discord. Send it in the Discord. Check mine also. Momo Party there super chats. Yeah, bro, come to Delhi. Geeky Anshu. Geeky Anshu plus 28. I'm jealous as hell, bro. Plus 28. He did 3 questions in goddamn 30 minutes. Bro. Geeky, bro. Fuck is, how is you so good, bro? And I went into the complete wrong direction at the very start. Bro, let out your real voice, not this voice. Stop. This is not real, bro. Shut the fuck up, bro. The other guy was a gooner and Sarthak ain't that rating racism right there. What are you even talking about? We jump to an index that has sum of difference and consecutive. No, bro, no. Basta Poddar. We jump to an index that has sum of difference and consecutive close jump less than direct difference. What the fuck is bro? What is bro yapping? What is bro yapping? Abdul Rehan 2006. 2806 plus 80. How is your rank 533 if your duration was 1.6? Yo, what? What is this guy doing, bro? What is this guy doing? Abdul Rehan 2806. What is his Abdul Rehan, my brother? My brother. You took 1 hour. Okay, you solved all 4 questions. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Oh, that's crazy as hell, bro. That's crazy as hell. All kill. भाई अब तो बंद कर ले. क्या बंद करे रोहित सिंह bro? What do we बंद? What do we बंद? What do we बंद, bro? Meera, bro, what? Abdul Rehan, bro. Bro is insane. Minimum fixed points after deletion. Minimum cost. Bro, this is the minimum cost, right? Minimum cost to move between indices. ST, ED. Yo. Bro writes really clean code, chat. Now, honestly, bro, respect to him. Respect to him. That's crazy. भाई फोर्थ आज कोई पेन विक्ट्री पढ़ा दो डिस्कॉर्ड पे भाई अब आई डोंट थिंक सो पढ़ने की हिम्मत है भाई आई वांट टू स्लो स्लीप अगेन आर आर इट्स वेरी अनोइंग प्लीज डू मोनेटाइजेशन ये लो ब्रो आई पॉज्ड एड्स bro said it and we paused ads the ads have been paused bro chill ads have been paused bro tell me this is good we अपना कोड दिखाना थर्ड वाला okay bro people want to see my code bro look at my code for the third question minimum cost to move between indices bro just show me the goddamn question chat this is how I did the third question bro. Good or bad see I was using this logic this is all redundant I was using this moves logic get this out of here this just calculates the closest uh yeah we don't need this either bro we don't need this either chat I wrote such a bullshit logic earlier look at all this commented out logic here but in the end all we had to do was calculate two arrays cost till 0 and cost till n this stores the cost of going from index I to index 0 okay from any index I how much cost will it take to go to index 0 the logic here is if the closest of any number is equals to its left number then the its cost till 0 would be 1 plus cost till 0 of the left index else cost till 0 you can see I mean chill bro explanation is the tough part I hope you guys understand if you don't I can explain this then you calculate the cost till n from any index I to cost till n and then just subtract if you want to go from a to b find the cost till n of a cost till n of b and subtract them and that is your answer that's how I did it bro that's how I did it did I overcomplicate it hey bro You're a rain man. When I started watching your stream, my performance dropped. Get some good luck and do good things in life, not visiting incognito. Yo, chand papiya, just because you're ass, you're blaming it on me. Just because you're an ass, you're blaming it on me. You looked really tired while solving the third one, and once you killed it, then loved your smile. You look good when smiling, bro. Status, bro. At this point, just marry me, brother. Just marry me, bro. Nobody has given me compliments like those, like status gives me. How's my guitar cover? Should I post more? Show your guitar cover, bro. Show your guitar cover. Let's rate Vipul's guitar cover. Vipul, bro, you haven't even posted anything, bro. You haven't even posted anything. Discord पे post कर दिया. Where, bro? Where did you post? Building in public. Daily devlogs. Simple explanation. Copy link, bro. Let's Devium learn development through real experiences and projects. A platform with learning path. Okay, bro. What is Debian? Everything you need to learn, build, and grow as a developer. Real developer experience, resources, learning. Open source built in public. Track the commands. I build in public. Okay, bro. Okay, what even is this about? Architecture is complete. Completed content will be okay. Okay. Read logs. Daily logs of what I'm building, DSA practice and learning. Bugs I hit and how I fix them. This keeps me consistent. What a typical log looks like, what I worked on. Okay. Okay, bro. Where do I pick a date? Yo, bro. Okay, I guess this is 2026 1 9. Had college from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. I had a similar idea that I'm working on, but nice one. Started, finished it, could not complete the DevOps lecture. Turbo repo. This guy is crazy, bro. Bro's learning turbo. 31 January. This page could not be found. Honestly, bro, nice idea, bro. Nice idea. Nice idea. Nice idea, bro. Not bad. It's on Insta. Vipul, bro, what's your Insta profile? Vipul, bro, tell your Insta profile. Tell your why you have so thick lips. User NZ7CB6JE5W. Bro, the fuck do I do if I have thick lips, bro? The fuck do I do? Bro, my rating is falling. Like for me, like that one girl ain't able to solve all 4 questions. I know I can't know the solution, but always run off time. Any opinions? Bro, my rating falls every time too. My rating falls every time too, bro. Who are you asking? Some bugs to be fixed. Yo, Zephy, bro. Nice shit, bro. Nice shit. Star on GitHub. Bro gets my star. Bro gets my star. Bro gets my star. It's in TypeScript. Nice work. Chat, check this out, bro. 150 commits. Holy shit. 150 commits, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Rating falling harder than here. Yo, I can't even lie, bro. That might be true. That might be true. Chat, is my solution good for this one? That's it for then. Bro, explain 3 in Google Meet. Do you guys want me to explain the third one? I think people know it now. I think people know it now. I will take you to barbecue the day I got placed. Caffeine score, bro. Don't forget about it now. Don't forget about it now, bro. Your conjuice ass should not forget about it. But once I'm done building and deploying my startup MVP, I'll tell you first. Sure, bro. Sure. Sure. Night कितने rating पे मिलता है 1850. 1850. I'm about to lose my night rating. I'm about to lose my night rating. I'm about to lose my night rating. Scribble, bro. Bro, people want to play Scribble. Okay, bro. We can play probably one round of Scribble. After seeing Vipul's guitar cover, bro. Bro is a Chad. He has women drooling all over him. Let's listen. Oh, I like the story, bro. I like the story. This is actually good. Bro, Vipul, bro. I know you're trying to attract women, and I think you're successful in it because you attracted me, brother. That was nice. That was nice, bro. That was nice. You're a man and Java developer, bro. I'm DevOps. I'm DevOps and FinOps. DevOps and FinOps. Copyright. Motherfucker, bro. We got copyright. Anyways, don't turn anything. Chat, let's look at my revenue, bro. Let's look at my revenue. How much did I even earn? How much did I even earn, bro? Let's look at my revenue. Let's analytics. Let's go to revenue. Let's go to revenue of lifetime. Motherfucker, bro. Chat, take a guess. How much did I learn? How much did I earn, bro? How much did I earn? It's fucking. By the way, I got 2, 3 huzzes from that. I know, brother. I need to learn to play guitar too, bro. That's probably the only way I can attract women, bro. $10, 7, 10,000, 10,000, bro. We earned goddamn $8, 8.87 USD to INR, 840 rupees. And the point that I can't even fucking redeem it. I can't even redeem it, bro. I can't even redeem it. 843 rupees. And that's crazy, bro. YouTube pays peanuts, bro. YouTube pays peanuts. Crazy. Hey, bro, you can get a Napoleon pizza in 840 rupees only if I can't even redeem it, bro. That's the point. I can't even redeem it. Bro, it's loaded. I'm loaded from down there. I'm loaded from down there. Down there. Down there. But yeah. Let's play Scribble and end this. Chat, let's just play Scribble and end this. Create private room. Okay. Draw time would actually be, let's keep the draw time as 20. Let's keep draw time as 20. Rounds as 2. Game mode is uh, players. Let's keep players as like 15 or 20. Word count equals to 5 words. Hint. I think only one hint, bro. If you're a man, you're not gonna use hint, bro. You're not gonna use hint. मैं जा रहा हूँ bro. कल practical है. See you soon. Bye bye, bro. Bye bye. Bye bye. 30. Yo, 30 is too less. 30 is too much, bro. 30 is too much. Let's keep it 20, bro. Let's keep it 20. Let's keep it 20, bro. Now he's showing his dashboard, literally breaking every policy. Yo, it's me, Rupali 827. You're talking about me showing this? You're talking about me showing this? It's me, Rupali 827. Brother or sister? For my names, you sound like sister. Nobody can do shit about me showing my dashboard. It's my dashboard. What the fuck is YouTube gonna do, bro? I don't give a shit if YouTube doesn't. Bro, YouTube don't have any policy. YouTube can't show me to show my revenue. I will show my revenue, bro. Like, stop acting like a Karen or something, bro. It's me, Rupali. I don't give a shit. It's my dashboard. It's not some intellectual property that I can't show, bro. The fuck, bro? No way, that's sister. Yo, I don't know, bro. I don't know. But the fact that I'm showing my dashboard and she's like, I'm breaking policy. Bro, what? भाई ad बंद कर दे ये लो भाई कर दिए बंद फिर से ads have been delayed bro ads have been delayed sister from another mother yeah bro but I just don't get it I'm just showing my dashboard how does that make like an issue of it why do you have to make an issue on it all kill till today's contest now bro we did only 3 we did only 3 20 seconds chat 20 seconds let's invite yo bro don't be disrespectful don't be disrespectful bro don't be disrespectful chat don't be disrespectful bro that's bad bro we can't say that bro ad band kar de bro ad kar diya bro kar diya kar diya bro yo join up before we start join up before we start resolve let's go how many did you solve bro I've done 2 lol well that's not bad honestly that's not bad it's not bad link bro it's in the chat brother yo I'm about to start Join if you want to join. I'm about to start. मेरे पास brave है, add करो add. Sure bro. Sure. Okay. 3 hours sleep and playing the same, brother. Same. We are starting. We are starting. Round one. Whosoever cheats is us, bro. Electors, bro. Okay. It's just 20 seconds. Be fast. Be fast, bro. So why big YouTubers don't reveal their real bro? Because I don't give a shit. I'm not a big YouTuber and I can reveal. Rupali, bro, chill. Okay, I won't be mean, but please chill, bro. Chill. I guess it's easy, bro. Nice drawing. Rupali, brother or sister, I don't care what big YouTubers does, bro. I do it. They don't want to show it because they earn a lot of money. I don't. I don't. Nobody can stop me from showing my dashboard. It's my dashboard. If I want to show it, I will. Chand Papia. Yo, Chand Papia. This guy is. What the fish? Fish. Fish. Yo, be fast, brother. Finland. Fish. Grill. Fish and chips. Yeah. Yo, that's nice drawing, honestly, bro. That's nice drawing, honestly. That's nice drawing. Yo. Bat. Why? Oh, I know it. I know it. Bro, I didn't guess it. Beer. Beers. Bro. Bro is drawing a bottle for a bhalu. Who the hell was that, bro? Was he stupid? Was he stupid, bro? Bro is drawing a like a bottle for a bhalu. Are we serious? Are we serious? Yo, hold on. Man. Men's. What is bro drawing? Me. Yo, what a nice drawing, bro. Yo, Shreyas said foot. Shreyas, bro, just give up, bro. Just give up. Chand Papia says legs. Chand Papia, you're so ass. Bro saying legs. Bro saying legs, bro. Imagine. Bro saying legs. River. Why are the words so easy? Why are the words so easy, bro? You're gonna rob Manish for his 8 USD? Bro, we can't even redeem it. We can't even redeem it. We can't even redeem it. Chand Papia. Chand Papia, bro. Show me what you got, bro. Show me what you got. Okay. Okay. Fuck is this? What is this? What is this, bro? Yo, my brother. Such an ass drawing. Like, bro, people can't draw in the chat. Chand Papi, unique funny name. What is your code forces rating? Bro, I don't do code forces. I don't do code forces. How do you solve third question? Can you guide me? Bro, prefix sum, suffix. We just have to maintain a prefix sum and suffix sum. That's it. I'll tell you after this. I explained it already, bro. Bomb, grill, bar. Oh, I know it. Bar, BQ. Garbage. Garbage. Good drawing, bro. Geeky Anshu, you're calling that good drawing, bro? That drawing was garbage. That drawing was actually garbage, bro. Sprinkler. Okay. Okay. Yo, what is this? Bro, what? Pot? Boiling? Boiling. Yo, this guy, who the hell was that, bro? The worst drawing in the history of humanity. Is that how a toilet looks in your home, bro? I give my first weekly contest. Nice work, bro. Nice work. Hey bro, someone fake is playing from my side. He was bro. Chand Papia. Bro is being sail, sail, sailing, flag pole. Bro, that's a tough word. Chand Papia, bro. If you don't attend Code versus Code Chef, don't call yourself a competitive programmer. The fuck? When did I call myself competitive programmer? Bro, it's me, Rupali. Are you just here to rage bait me, bro? Are you just here to rage bait me? Show me one time when I called myself competitive programmer, bro. Show me one time. Yo, chicken. The fuck is this? Bro, why are you drawing it in fuck is that? Exactly, bro. What are these people doing? Bro, must be three people in the corner surely cheated. Of course, bro. Of course, they did. They did. What are these words? Bro, yeah, you're kind of right. These words are trash, bro. Apple. Yeah. YouTube. YouTube top. Why the fuck did bro draw an apple? Why did he draw an apple? Bro, is he stupid? Bro, is he stupid? Go stream Among Us today? Yo, I've never played Among Us after 2020. I've never played Among Us after 2020. Shreyas guessed it already? What's this, bro? Neck. Bro, am I ass at this going too? Bro, I know you will say or think after reaching 2-1. Yo, it's me, Rupali. Holy shit, bro. Hop on Discord, bro. We got a chat. Hop on Discord. Hop on Discord. Hop on Discord. Status, bro. Love you, brother. I guess BA. Yo, who's this? Who's drawing, bro? FFF, bro. Draw fast. We don't have time. Bro is drawing like his grandma. Drinking mug. Desperate. Bro, why are you even choosing words like these, bro? Why are you even choosing words like these? Bro. Oh, okay, okay. Hot dog, hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Yo, nice drawing, bro. Who was this? Norwood 6. It's Norwood 6, bro. You, bro. Next time, bro. Please don't keep names like these, bro. I might have to ban you, Norwood 6. I hope you're talking about yourself. You too, Chand Tatti. Hey, Rupali, you're the person which no one likes. Oh. There's a beef going on. I don't know. I don't know. Dumpy Don guessed it? Pigeon. Yo, how are people actually guessing this? This is crazy, bro. How are people actually guessing it? Karthik is choosing a word. What was that? A pigeon. Exactly, bro. Bro. What? This is RS Road Water Bill? Bro. Okay, I mean, fair enough. What could he even draw for a bill? What could he even draw for a bill? What could he? Okay, very interesting name here, bro. Very interesting name here. Let's see what this guy has. Diamond. I'll call him Diamond. O Diamond. L plus O Diamond. Draw, bro. You don't have time. You don't have time. P. People have guessed it already? Bro, Geeky Anshu. Yo, is Geeky Anshu cheating? Is Geeky Anshu cheating, bro? Bro, is Geeky Anshu cheating? Yo, okay, it's for me, it's for me. Chat, don't cheat, bro. Don't cheat. Ah, oh shit, I didn't get to choose a word. Yeah, see, they've guessed already. Chat, what do I draw for this? What do I draw for this? Okay, fuck, bro. What do I even draw for this, bro? Bro, bro, what? I knew it. Was that a good drawing? Was that a good drawing from my side? Was that a good drawing? Triangle? Bro, all these are watching stream exactly, bro. They're cheating. Electus, bro, stop cheating. Yo, bro chose the easiest word. Anyone here solve for Santha, bro? You didn't attend to this contest. Bye, bro. I'm going to sleep. Yo, bro, me too. I'm also going to sleep after this one. I'm also going to sleep after this one. Good drawing, bro. What's this now? Eggplant, eggplant, bandage, broken heart, heartbreak, bell pepper. Bro, is Geeky Anshu a goddamn like spell bee master or what? Geeky Anshu, bro, stop cheating. Stop cheating, bro. What's crying? Emoji. Dumpy Dawn. Laugh. Yo, what? People can't guess this. This shit is easy, bro. This shit is easy. There was not a laugh gang. That was Shreyas, bro. That was shit ass drawing. Yo, yes, chill, bro, chill. Crown, crown. That's what we like to see. I couldn't solve 4, so no submission. Oh, but I hope you got some lessons today. It's me, Rupali. Who the hell does she think he is? He or she, bro? Lessons today. Are you my like fucking professor, bro? Got some lessons today, bro. What? Bro, he or she is just rage baiting me at this point. Hope you got some lessons today. The fuck do you mean by lessons, bro? Who is you? Hold on. Yo. Bro, how? Geeky. Bro, should we kick Geeky Anshu, bro? Lantern. Yo, should we kick Geeky Anshu, bro? If he's in the chat. Yo, Chris Bumstead, you're such a goddamn simp, bro. Look at this simp. Look at this goddamn simp, bro. He's typing hi, lol. Look at this goddamn simp, bro. Geeky Anshu, bro, stop cheating. Medicine. Medicine. What? Japan. Nuclear. Oh, ball knowledge, bro. This required ball knowledge, bro. This required ball knowledge, bro. Good drawing, bro. Geeky Anshu, bro. Good drawing. If you Geeky Anshu. Guys. Grass. Tree. Palm. Oh shit. Oh, what? R. R. What is R? What is R? Raise. Raise. R. Root. Bro, who draws root with green color, brother? Yo, Chand Papiya, chill, chill, chill. Bro, Chand, the fuck is Chand Papiya typing, bro? Yo, okay. Play, bro. Play. Cheese. What? Japan. Bro, people are good, bro. Yo, what is Electus? What is Electus typing, bro? What is Electus typing? Anything for us? Bro, you're such a goddamn simp. Yo, You're such a goddamn sim, bro. Honestly, it's me, Rupali. Hi, long, bro. Bell. Yo, nice. You didn't have to add that thread in. Dumpy Don couldn't guess it. Dumpy Don, bro, give up. Yo, he did. Here we got Chand Papia choosing a word. Let's see, bro, how good is he at drawing. Bat, lighter, cigarette, wicket. What is he doing? Chalk? Bro, who the hell is using chalk like that? Who the hell is using chalk like that? I had a macro. So, bro, why did you paste it there, bro? Hello, bro, woke up 10 minutes late. Skip contest. Yo, today's contest was nice, honestly. Left. You stop choosing easy words, bro. Stop choosing easy words. Stop choosing easy words, brother. It's wait, left. Everybody guessed it. Chill guy is guessing west, my brother. Bro is guessing west instead of left. Oh, I can never. Police, you know you're given the length of word, right? Oh, at the top, yeah, you're right. I didn't realize. Cookie. I didn't realize. Yo, Sathak, thanks, brother. Cookie cat? Cookie woman? Bro, what? Cookie cat? Bisc. Bro, what? How the. Yo, these guys are so ass at drawing. These guys are. Why did he add a cat? Why did he add a cat? TV. Monitor. Display. Bro, how are people getting it? PC. Bro, what has an R in it? Screen. Yo, screen. Lens 7 पे cookie. Bah, chill. Okay, I'm dumb, bro. Look at these guessing. Yo, what was my word? Ocha. Okay, I thought it was mine. CHE. CHE. Chew. Goop. Bowl. Gum. Bro, what? This was a gum. Bro, I'm ass at this game. Bag. What? Chad guessed the word. D-bag. Dang. Bro, never in your life draw ever again. Never in your life draw ever again. Yeah, bro. What even is this? There was not even a word, bro. Solar panel. Compass. Yo, I guessed it the first. Yo, the first person to guess it was me. Yo, to the east got 725. First person to guess it was me, bro. Bro, why was I kicked? Yo, who kicked you? What was your username, bro? Nobody kicked you. What was your username, bro? Gum. Yo, caffeines, bro. What was your username? Bro, I didn't kick you or anything. Who kicked you, bro? Karthik is choosing a word. Yo, when will my turn come? I'll hide my screen. This is circuit. She has guessed it. Upper. Laptop. Mouse. Click. Oh, okay, bro. Honestly, not a bad drawing for click. Not a bad drawing for click, bro. What else could he even draw for it? Like, what else could he draw for? The only place where people get 12,000. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Yo, what? Caffeines, bro. I didn't kick you. What was your username in this game? Black. Black. Dark. Yo, I guessed it. I guessed it. I guessed it. I guessed it. Black. Yo, easy words, bro. People are choosing easy words. Yo, if you're cheating, I'm not even joking, bro. If you're cheating, you're gonna be kicked. Uh, let's go. Yo, look at Electus, the goddamn cheater. Yo, if you don't guess from this drawing, bro, you're stupid. You're stupid if you don't guess from this one. Chat, was my drawing ass? Was my drawing ass, bro? That was good. My drawing was good. Geeky Anshu won. Geeky Anshu won. Geeky Anshu won. Chan Papia really said, bro, he's crazy. I was preparing for Digit DP and skipped today's contest. Thankfully, they didn't give Digit DP. But today's third question was good, bro. Never draw again. Yo, Geeky Anshu, how the hell are you so good? How the hell are you so good? That's crazy. Okay then, chat. I think that's the end of the stream. Let's meet next week. You could have drawn a crescent moon. Yeah, fair, bro, fair. I mean, that's not bad, bro. What I drew was also good. Let's meet next week. Good stream, bro. Tell me how I study system design. That book, System Design by Alex View. That's it. Moon drawing was ass. Chill, brother, chill. It was not. Piyush, bro. You dumpy down, right? Start doing daily code forces grind stream, bro. I go for a job full time. I don't have time besides the weekend. I'm going to watch Saurabh Joshi. Yo, nice, bro. I watch him too. Who is watching a different? Who is watching a different from us? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? The what? How did you solve third? Well, I told it. Okay, let me just quickly tell it once again. I solved it using prefix sum. So you maintain two array vector a cost till 0 from any index I. How much cost will it take to go till 0 and how much cost will it take to go till n? Right? The logic to calculate cost till 0 and cost till n is this. Basically, if you can use the closest, always use the closest. Else, just go towards that direction. Whatever. See, if you can use the closest, and then add the cost of the left one. Yeah, bro. I hope you understand. If you don't, just tell me. I'll explain it. This is just 2-3 conditional statements together. Cost till n. Now, in the end, if you want to go from L to R, find the cost of till n of L. Find the cost till n of R. Then just subtract it. That's it. That's how I did it. Bro. That's how I did it. That's it. Yo, Rohan Gaming Tech, bro. I agree, bro. I agree. Bro. Sound Joshi, nice work, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm starting CSES list. I hope I complete in 3 months. I have to do along with the job. Good luck, bro. I hope you do it too. Good luck. That's it for bro. See you on Saturday. Then be happy and keep smiling, bro. Life is really too short. Status 15141, my brother. Thanks so much, bro. Bro is so wholesome. My username is. You asked for it. Check entrant. Bro, I'll do it now next stream. Let's end it right here, right now. You're so good at logic, bro. I'm not. Bro. I took 1 hour 15 minutes. Bro, I got positive rating on entrant hub. Bro, what? I got positive rating on entrant hub. Bro, where is entrant hub? Bro? How is that possible? Bro, I got positive at 5k rank. Did the cheaters were removed or what, bro? Utish G, bro. I got. Who said it, bro? Who said it? Vipul, brother. I'm unfollowing you on Instagram. I'm unfollowing this asshole on Instagram. Bro. This fucking yo. and he's laughing and he's laughing and he's laughing. I liked his goddamn guitar story. I followed him on Instagram, bro. I appreciate him and he's, yeah, bro. That's it for, that's it. Let's end the stream. Fuck me, bro. Okay. That's it for the stream. Let's meet next week. Bye bye.